To adjust the crotch buckle, you have one of two positions to choose from. There is a forward position and a rear position. You always need to have the crotch buckle positioned so that it is either even with the child or behind the child. The seat comes with the crotch buckle in the inner position. If your child needs the crotch buckle further forward, you're going to have to turn this crotch buckle sideways, slide it up to the forward one, and then straighten it out. Once you have it straightened out, you'll want to double check and make sure that the red button is facing out. Once you have it changed to the front position, then you can replace the seat pad. You need to make sure that you use the exact same position in the seat pad as you have the crotch buckle in the car seat. We have the crotch buckle in the outer position, so we're going to be using the outer position of the seat pad as well. And you're simply going to be lining up the crotch buckle and pressing it right through the fabric, just like that, and pulling it out. Once you have it through, there are plastic tabs just on the back, and you're going to line them up with the back of the shell of the seat. You're going to slide it into place and just push down to lock the seat pad into place.